A mountain sits quiet for 100 years. Then, with little warning, it blasts molten rock and ash high into the sky. So what builds up inside a volcano and why does it finally blow? Let's dig in. The story starts deep underground, where it's hot enough to melt solid rock into a thick, gooey liquid called magma. It collects in a chamber beneath the volcano. And here's the key. Magma is lighter than the solid rock around it, so little by little it forces its way up toward the surface. As it rises, the gases trapped inside it bubble out just like a shaken fizzy drink. The pressure climbs and climbs until the rock above can't hold it back. The volcano erupts, blasting out molten lava, ash, and scorching gas. But not all eruptions are the same. Runny magma lets the gas slip out gently, so the lava just oozes and flows. Thick, sticky magma traps the gas until it bursts. And like earthquakes, volcanoes aren't random. Most of them line up along the edges of the plates, especially the ring of fire around the Pacific. So a volcano is really just molten rock, full of gas, forcing its way up until the pressure breaks through. Frightening, yes, but those same eruptions build new islands and leave behind some of the richest soil on Earth. That's Volcanoes Explained. I'm Mr. Sticklab. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.